In this quick video, we'll show you how to deploy email signatures automatically for Zoho Desk agents using the Bybrand and the bulk update feature. Note that the Zoho Desk integration is already installed in Bybrand, with agents and departments loaded, so we'll skip this part. Let's get started. Navigate to the Automation section and create a new department to generate automatic signatures. Now import the Zoho Desk agents into the department. On this page, you need to define an email signature with placeholders. If you already have a signature created in your account, it will appear in this list. For this example, we'll use a pre-created template for the integration. Here is the list of imported agents with their automatically created email signatures. There are two ways to deploy the signature directly to the support agent's account. The first is using bulk update, which eliminates manual implementation work. The second is individual implementation. Select an employee and click the Paste to Email button. On this page, you can preview the Zoho Desk integration and select which department you want to deploy the signature to. Now let's see the email signature in the agent's profile in Zoho Desk account. When this agent responds to an email ticket, the signature will be automatically inserted at the end of the message.